This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Janine DeMello. Cozy Cape COD. 4 bedrooms/2 full baths. 2 downstairs bedrooms, 2 bedrooms up. Extra bonus room off a family room. Sidewalk and curb/gutter, no flood insurance. Separate dining area. Large corner lot. Sweet Crepe Myrtle lined streets of historic NORVA. Kitchen was updated previously, as were other elements of the home including flooring, roofing, etc. One bathroom updated 2020, the other hasn't had a chance to be at its best, needs a facelift. New deck 2020. Priced right for someone who can add a few new features of their own. New deck 2020. Detached garage with patio overhang for covered